Welcome to your own YouTube channel Unlock Your Potential. This video is completely dedicated to the aspirants for the ACC 124 and the 125. As we all know, just now ACC 125 result has been announced. So first of all, I would like to give many congratulations to those who have cleared. But real fight begins now. So we are getting the request from the service candidates to launch a special batch for the SSB complete preparation. So just now we have come up with September special batch. So now in this video we are going to discuss what about the deliverables and what we are going to cover in our that batch. This batch is for ACC 124 and 125 SSB aspirants and for the complete SSB preparation. Batch will be started from 26th of September and we will cover from complete screening to the complete psych techniques, and our main focus would be on imaginative TAT pictures. There are the pictures in which 10% and the 20% stress is indicated and rest depends upon our imagination, because we know everyone can make the story on drowning, accident and the fire theme. Even they can prepare from the at home, right, like the actions part, but these are not serve our purpose. So mainly these stories which require the reactionary profile, not the visionary profile. So we have to understand the demand of the selection system, so which we will discuss in our sessions. So main focus would be on the TAT and basically those 6 to 8 stories which is required, those reactionary profile short-term stories which require the intellectual imaginative imagination. And then yes, we will discuss the VAT and the SRT techniques and the SDA as well, because we all know we all can attend VAT and the SRT and even in the GTO, GOR and the individual obstacle, but the difference comes in approach and in strategy and the techniques, ki how to project those OLQ which we are having. After completing the psych, then we will move forward with the GTO techniques. In this we will cover all 9 tasks which is covered on day 1 and day 2 of the GTO, like the GD, GP, lecturate, PGT from complete stage 1 to the stage 4th most complex stage. We will discuss all the multiple ideas from the single structure like the Droman bridge. Not only will discuss, I will present my GTO models which I have made through the cardboard, through the live streaming video. Fine. And after that, all cantilever principle, improvised cantilever, simple bridging, combined bridging, cantilever bridging, hanging bridging, etc. would be discussed and will be shown to you on the live session. And then practical and experimental learning through the GTO models. And then yes, for the GD, GP, lecturate and GOR and IO, we are having our own 0.7 point formula and 7 master stroke which will boost your score and grading in the SSB. Then personal interview techniques, mock interviews would be conducted, one-to-one interaction and individual feedback would be given to the candidates. Full interview techniques and the strategy with which now avoid the fear for the SSB. And for any query you may reach out to us on this number 729 106 4070. This is my Telegram ID, and also I will be sharing the link with you in the description box below of our Telegram group, SSB GP group live. So batch will begin on the 26th September. So registration are open, you can start now, otherwise you have to wait for the October batch. And don't miss an opportunity to have stars on your shoulder, so be fast and enroll now. These are some of our recently recommended candidates, like the Jojo Joseph, who got recommended from the SSB Bangalore. So what he said in his feedback: earlier he was never able to analyze the GTO structures. My mind used to go blank when attempting GTO. After attending your classes, now I know, is what I get to know. Analyze the structures, analyze the fulcrum, base and hinge, stopper, etc. Maintain the code of conduct during the ground task and different solutions and types of notes. We not only discuss the how to reach to the workable ideas, but also how to find out multiple ideas from the single structures, and also tying of notes like the anti-slip note on the vertical as well as in the horizontal structures, and code of conduct to be maintained during the GTO. And Praktesh recently got recommended from the AFSB Mysore. He was a fresher. So he mentioned in his feedback, I had a zero knowledge about these structures. You not only taught how to bridge the gap but also made us think and act to bring out OLQs. Enable us to think and imagine without implementing blindly. Yes, because in the SSB you will not get the chance every time you apply your whole idea which is coming to your mind. You have to tune your mind in such a way that you can implement then and there in a single instance. Otherwise group will call you back or the GTO will call you back if you try and somehow you will get to the idea. So we will provide you those 8 techniques which you will find, you will get to know which idea is workable and how it is workable and why it is not workable. Teja recently got recommended from 20 SSB Bhopal from the SSC TAC 57 entry. So he's still taking the class, just exploring the different ways and boost his imagination power. These are the candidates like the Vamsi sir, ACC Army candidate is from Indian Air Force. So after taking the class, he felt that classes are really best and practical, structured, suitable timings for all. That's why we have set up our timings from 9 to 10:30 evening. But we are also, as per the consensus of the student, we can shift it to the 9:30 as well, so that it would be suitable for all service candidates. Similarly, the RJ sir is from Indian Army, ACC entry 124. Shashi sir from the Indian Air Force, ACC 124. So you can pause the video and you can watch and read these feedbacks. Ashish he recently got recommended from the Kapurthala. He mentioned about his feedback. Then Ishant from the NDA entry, what he felt after taking the classes. We have the candidates from the every entry, be it a JAG entry, FCAT entry, NDA entry. So we'll get the best platform. We'll get to know the different ideas of the different candidates and the students in the environment like the SSB. Dushyant from the FCAT entry. These are the etc. So batch is going to get start from the 26th. So you should join us, and enrollment, you can enroll and right away you can boost to your SSB preparation. And if you like this video, then please share it, subscribe it, and thanks a lot friends.